This bad boy is absolutely humongous. It literally reminds me of a Surface Duo, but with an outside screen. Like, this is what I feel like we've always asked for from the Surface Duo lineup. And instead, it's not Microsoft who creates this, it's Huawei. And this is a Pro Max, which is now officially in the wild. And to be honest, it looks good. I'm still kind of on the fence about the whole design concept, with it being like, weirdly wide angle. But I think that's just because of the fact that I'm just not at a point where I'm used to wide angle phones. And I think like eventually I'll get to that point, and a lot of people will get to that point. But it doesn't change the fact that this thing is still absolutely massive when it comes to that display. I mean, look at that. This is, wow. It's like a Google Pixel Fold 1 on steroids. Like, this thing is just stupidly big for no reason. And apparently Samsung's doing the same concept as Huawei is here when it comes to a very wide style foldable cell phone. So we're going to see this from Samsung. We're going to see it from Huawei. And if we see it from Samsung, you already know we're going to probably then see it from every single other major brand, company, whatever, coming out with the same exact concept. This is just how it works. Whenever one company does it, every single company adapts to it, and now it becomes the new thing. But still, I will say, so bezel to screen ratio, this one, the other picture shows us a little bit better. This one shows us a lot better. The bezels aren't really that crazy. And for a first-gen product here, that's really not that insane. It's not a first-gen product, but for like a first-gen product for Samsung, I mean, if it's very similar to this, it's not really that crazy bezel-wise. Also, this is like a developer engineering machine model, so it's not like the latest software or whatever. Little side note. But, yeah. I'm excited to see when this comes out. I'm excited to see Samsung's version. That's what I'll say. I'm excited to see what Samsung comes out with, because this looks good, but Samsung is Samsung, and I'm sure they're going to come out with a banger, so we'll see how that all shakes out. But price tag-wise, oh, baby, we're going to be talking about some very expensive price tags. As always, shout out to the person who posted this. This was My Place, My World. Will be posted in the description down below. I'll leave a link to this post to give credit to the person who did post it. But yeah, fun times.